Now it is asking your Microsoft account. If you don't have the Microsoft account, you can create it, or otherwise you can do it the offline setup. On this screen, what you need to do is, if you want to bypass the Microsoft account, you need to press, in order to press and bypass the Microsoft account, just you need to press aeroplane mode on, like this, and after that you should able to create your local user. Even if you have the button for Wi-Fi to disable, you can do that. And also, if you are using the PC, you can disconnect the wired connection and the LAN connection from your Windows, and then you should able to get this window.